Picture this, 1975, a time when India was still finding its footing as a young nation. India, a young nation, sets its sights on something amazing: space. The dream was ambitious, but the spirit was unyielding. Driven by big dreams and a thirst for discovery, India begins its incredible space adventure. Engineers and scientists worked tirelessly, often with limited resources. This is a story of how smart people with lots of passion can achieve incredible things. Their dedication and hard work laid the foundation for what was to come. From small beginnings to giant leaps, India's space program has become something truly special. Each milestone was a testament to the nation's resolve and ingenuity. The whole world watched as India took its place among the stars. International recognition followed, and the global community took notice. It's a story of dreams taking flight, showing us what a country can do with hard work and never giving up. The early days were tough, resources were scarce, and the challenges seemed insurmountable. Things were limited, and the technology was new. Every step forward was a monumental achievement. But the scientists in India, they were determined. They worked tirelessly day and night, driven by a shared vision. They dreamed of a future where India would travel among the stars. Their passion was unwavering. In 1975, that dream came true. Aryabhata, India's very first satellite. It was a historic moment. Named after a famous Indian astronomer, Aryabhata was a symbol of India's science smarts. It represented years of hard work. Its launch made everyone in India super excited. The nation celebrated this incredible achievement. Aryabhata was more than just a satellite. It was a big message. It signaled a new era for India. It told the world that India was ready to play in the space game. The global community took notice. It made so many people excited about space, and that excitement continues today. The legacy of Aryabhata lives on. Aryabhata's success was a huge moment. It was a testament to the dedication and ingenuity of Indian scientists. It gave India's space program a boost of confidence, making way for even bigger missions. The future looked bright. India was ready to reach for the stars. The journey had just begun, and the possibilities were endless. India aimed for a new target, Mars. The Mangalyaan mission, also called MOM, was a bold move, showing off India's tech skills. It was a tricky mission, a real challenge. In 2014, the world watched as Mangalyaan made it to Mars. This made India the first Asian country to reach the Red Planet. It was a super proud moment for India. Mangalyaan wasn't just about getting to Mars, it was about doing it smartly. The mission was famous for not costing too much, proving India could do big things without spending a ton of money. This mission showed everyone that India was a serious player in space. It proved India could handle tough space missions. Mangalyaan showed just how much India could do in space. The Moon, our neighbor in space, has always been fascinating. India wanted to explore it too, which led to the Chandrayaan missions. These missions were all about learning the Moon's secrets. Chandrayaan-1, launched in 2008, made a big discovery: water on the Moon. This was huge news and made scientists think differently about the Moon. Chandrayaan-2, even though it had a little trouble landing, sent back important information, helping plan future missions. Then came Chandrayaan-3 in 2023, a mission that made history. Chandrayaan-3 made India the first country to land safely near the Moon's south pole. This opened up a whole new area of the Moon to explore, an area that might have lots of valuable resources. India's space journey is just getting started. Looking ahead, India has big plans that will push the limits of what we know and can do. One of these is Aditya-L1, India's first mission to study the Sun, which has already been launched. This mission will help us understand our closest star and how it affects Earth. Then there's Gaganyaan, India's plan to send people to space. This is a huge step for India, putting it in a special group of countries that can send humans into orbit. Gaganyaan shows off India's amazing technology and its dedication to human spaceflight. And it's not just the government anymore. Private space companies in India are adding to the excitement. These companies, with their fresh ideas, are going to be a big part of India's space future. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like it, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.